So I had to reel off my borderline, and I have to place my vertical measurements. So from here to here, chest line 6. This is the chest line, and this is the half length. That's the waistline. So I'm going with 6 for the chest line and 10. Then I'll go ahead and put my shoulder. The shoulder I'm working with is 10. So I'll go ahead and mark out 10. That's 5 divided by 10 divided by 2, 5 plus half inch. Then I'll bring it down by half inch. Now from that half inch, I'll mark 5. From the half inch, I'll mark 5 for the armhole line. Now equally mark 5 here. Then I have to be exact. Then I'll make a block shape. This is the half inch. Just to this place, and I'll mark it out. So this is what we have. So now I'm drafting the armhole line. So what I'm going to do next is 5 divided. I'll try to get the midpoint. Don't mind my voice, I'm having kata. So I want to get the midpoint. So 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. Now 2.5, I'll go in with 3/4 inch. Now from there, actually almost 1 inch. See my 3/4 inch. Now from there, I'll connect it to the armhole slant and the shoulder slant. Then I'll curve it like this. So this is called armhole trimming. And I'll equally go for the back and curve the back like this. See, this curvature. So this is for the back. This is the back armhole and this is the front armhole. So I'll go ahead and mark 2 inch for the neck width. Now the neck depth will be let me say 2.5 inch for the depth of the neck. Not use too much, but let me go with it. So I'll now go ahead and create a block. Then next thing I'm going to do is to curve it. Create a curve. I think I'm going to use this. This is something slippery. So now the next thing I'm going to do is to create my shoulder slant. So now I'll rule a straight line from the neck width to the shoulder. So now I've created the shoulder slant, which is half inch. Then I'm going to input my round body measurement. So I'm working with her chest line is 21. So 21 divided by 4 is 5.5. And I'll go down with 21 here to 5.5. Then I'll now go with 1 inch sewing allowance. 1 inch here. Then here I'll go up with half inch. I'll mark half. Oh, let me use my ruler. So this is half. I always work with half inch. So this is my half inch. So I'll connect like this. See. So here too, I'll have to put half inch for the joining. So this is half inch too. Half inch. So now I'll cut it out. What is wrong with this scissors now? So now I'll place for the back too. So this is for the back. I want to make sure that it's exactly 1 inch for the back. So now, okay, let me take it back a little. So I'll have to get a pin so that it doesn't shift. So I'll pin the fabric. So I'll rule out 1 inch. So I'm working with zip allowance of 1 inch, and that's what I'm marking now. I don't know why this just shift. So this is 1 inch. So I'll place this one. and I'll pin the two together. Pin this one together too. So now I'll cut this out. So this is what I have. So I will go ahead and start cutting. So first I have to cut like this. So and for the back, I'm going to open the bag. Alright, let me just put this here first. So I'll cut out the back armhole first. This is the back armhole. Already, I will now, I didn't connect this, I'll connect it now. So I won't cut it out first. So look at what I'm going to do. Alright, let me just cut it out anyway. There's no point trimming the back because it will be going down. So I'll now cut out the front armhole like this. This is the armhole trimming. The front armhole has the armhole trimming. So I'll cut it out. So that is all. Now take out the front. So this is the front. This is the front. Now for the back, I will have to come up by 3 inches, or maybe let me come up with 4. Now from that 4, I'm going to rule a straight line. I don't know. I don't want too much protocols for the cut. So from here, I'll cut this out. This is a V back neck. So I love the V because I love the elegant look that it gives. So I love it with the V back for the ball dress. So this is it. I don't think I did this right. So this is the back. I'll have to place my lining and cut it all out. So the two are the same place. I'll cut this out now. So this is it. This is the lining. That's going to be too big because that's going to be small. This is the lining. Okay. So now this is the net. So I'm going to divide 6 by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So this net is by 60 and I have 6 years of net. So what I'm going to do is divide the net into 3. So I'll be taking 20. That's 60 divided by 3 is 20. So I'm taking 20 down. First I'll just cut this off. I want everything straight. This is what I have. I'll go down I'll mark 20. 60 years, so I mark 20 here. Okay, this is 20. And I bring my tape this way and mark 20 again. Then, this is 20. So I'll cut it out. This is for the first. This is 20. And this one too, I'll place my tape and I'll